Hey all, Will Healy here, and I've gotten a special surprise in the mail here from our friends at KUKA, and so I thought I'd see what Darcy sent me, and let's see what's in the box, huh? Should we? Sure, I'm violating a bunch of standards. Here we go. So let's see. It's a big box, huh? Oh man, Darcy totally hooked me up. Look, I've got a new hat. Don't tell my wife. Always excited to have a new hat. So got a nice KUKA hat there. So you'll see some future videos with that. And oh man, the collaborative robot. Really excited for that. That is awesome. The 𝗪𝗵𝘁 really fun. And oh man, you know, I had one of these a long time ago. Thanks so much, Darcy. And I was telling him the other day, one of my students was just totally in love with the KUKA robot on my desk. I had co-op students for a long time, and I was telling him the student loved it so much at the end of the semester, I gave it to him. And I was sad because I didn't have my robot anymore, so Darcy hooked me up. So that's really kind of you, man. I really appreciate it. And that's so fun. I think these are just great for spreading the good news and sharing with people what you do. So display it proudly, show it to your friends, and that's really awesome. Thanks so much, Darcy. And I guess that's all I have for you today. I've got a bunch of videos planned, and we'll get some good things out this week. So until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?